Assalamu alaikum. My name is MD Murad Sardar. I have barista experience. I know how to make espresso, americano, latte, flat white, cappuccino, Spanish latte, mocktail, mojito. I am from Kobe Training Academy in Bangladesh.